Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable the option that lets people discover you by your email address on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC version of the app. This quick guide will show you every step you need to take in just a couple of minutes. First, open the X app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look at the left-hand sidebar and locate the More icon. It looks like 3 small dots in a circle. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new screen where you can manage all your account preferences, privacy options, and security settings. On the left side, you'll see several tabs. Click on Privacy and Safety to continue. Now, under the Privacy and Safety section, find and select Discoverability and Contacts. This is the area where you can control how others can find you on X, including whether they can search for your profile, using your email address or phone number. At this point, the app may ask you to enter your password for security reasons. If that happens, simply type your password, then click Next. After that, you'll see a few checkboxes related to discoverability. Look for the one labeled Let People Who Have Your Email Address Find You on X. To enable this feature, click the box so that it's checked. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the option that allows people who already know your email address to find your profile more easily on X. It's a great way to help friends, colleagues, and contacts connect with you faster without having to search through endless profiles. If you ever change your mind, you can return to these same settings and uncheck the box whenever you want. Keeping your discoverability preferences up to date ensures you maintain control over how people can reach you on X. Thanks for watching.